In today's video, I will walk through everything you need to know about MetaTrader 4 platform so you can start trading with confidence. When you choose one, you can download the app from the website of your broker. Installation is quite simple. After you've downloaded the file, just open it and click Next. After installation is done, just click on Finish. Platform should open automatically. If you got your login details, you can choose your server and type in your login and password to connect to your live account. If you don't have it, you can choose the demo account and click on Next. Tick New Demo Account and then Next. Here, just type in your details and choose your account type. So, which base currency you want to use. I'm gonna choose USD. Deposit, it's up to you. This is demo account, so let's go for $100,000. Leverage, you can choose probably from 1 to 30. If you got any more, you can choose higher. Let's go for 1 to 400. Just click that you agree to subscribe your newsletter. Just tick this box and click Next. Here you will see your login, password and investor password. Just write it down and click on Finish. So now demo account is ready to use. If you click on here, you will see your balance. I got $100,000 and also here account history. If you click on it, you will see your trades. So if you place any trades, you will see that in here. Okay, now let's change the color of the charts. To adjust charts to your needs, just right-click on it and go Properties. Here you can change the color of the candles, you can change the color of the background. So let's do that now. I'm gonna leave the first top free and I'm gonna change the color of the bar up. Let's go for lime green, spring green, okay. Bar down, let's go with red. Bull candle, spring green, and bear candle, let's go red. That's it actually. You can click on this tab here, common, and untick this box and show period separators. Then click OK. Now the chart looks much better and we can change few more things. If you click on here, the chart will move to the left and now we can see much better over here. If you want to keep this look of the chart, just right click on the chart, go template and save template. Tap in default and click on save. Now the template is saved, so if you go to the next chart, right click on the chart, template and go default. You can see it's all set. You can do that to all these currency pairs. Template, default. Here if you want to add some more currency pairs like gold or maybe crude oil or maybe some other assets, over here you got list of the instruments. Just right click on it and tick show all. Here you can see the list of currency pairs. So if you want to add some more like gold on crude oil, just right click on it, tick show all and find your instrument. Let's find gold. If you want to add this to your list at the bottom, just right click on it, go chart window and you can see now it's in your shortcuts down the bottom. So you can easily switch between the charts. Also, you can hide this window by clicking on Market Watch. If you click again, you will see those instruments right back. If you want to hide this window, just click on here. Also, like you can see, we got navigator over here. You can hide it as well. Here you will find some indicators. You can add them to the charts. You got plenty of them. Also, you can download some more from the internet. Let's go for trend. Let's go for envelopes, okay? Add to a chart. You can see this indicator is added to the chart. If you need any more, just look for them right here and add them to the chart. If you want to remove them from the chart, it's easy. Just right click on the chart, indicators list, click on indicator and delete. Now it's gone from the chart. Okay, let's hide this for now. Also, you can see down here the terminal. You can hide it as well. Let's hide it for now. Let me explain you what we have here. So basically we got this three different windows. So first one is Market Watch, so you can choose your instruments. Next one is Navigator, when you can add some indicators or expert advisors. Then we got Terminal, where you can see your open positions or history. Now you can see candlesticks. If you want to change it for bar charts, you can click on here, or line charts right here. To go back, just click on candlesticks. Also, you can zoom in and zoom out if you like. Alright, here we got some some tools for technical analysis. So we got this cross right here. If you click on this cross, you can measure the pips points and the distance. Also, you got this draw vertical line, might be handy. If you want to remove it, just double click on it, right click and delete. Next one, we got horizontal line. If you want to change some properties of this line, for example, color, just double click on it, then right click, horizontal line properties, and here you can change some colors, also parameters. Okay, let's go back. If you want to remove it, just right click on it and delete. Next one is the trend line. It's quite useful to find out if you are in a bullish trend or maybe bearish trend, so I'm gonna remove it for now. Here you got Fibonacci tool. Also, if you need some more tools, just right click on it, go customize, and here you got some more tools you can use. If you need to add something, just click on it and go insert, then close. You can see it's right here. Another important thing is the time frame. You can switch between the time frames. You can use monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame. You got 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and this one used for scalping is 1 minute time frame. So different time frames for different strategies. So like you can see, the platform is ready to use, and if you want to open the position, sell or buy, you can do it here, but you need to change the lot size. I will explain lot sizes in the next video. So let's go for 0.01 and let's go buy. Here just accept these terms, click OK. Okay, let's go buy. You can see the position is open. If you want to check this position, just click on terminal. It will appear in this tab here, trade. You can see the position is open and you can see your profit right here. If you want to close this position, just click on X. Also, if you want to add take profit and stop loss to secure your position, just double click on this green line, and here you can add your stop loss and take profit. You can see stop loss and take profit is set. If you want to move it, change it, you can do it like this. It's quite easy and straightforward, guys. This is demo account, so you can practice, you can check this platform, check out the tools, check out the indicators, find out your strategy, and also check how to open and close positions, and remember to use stop losses. Like I said, in the next video I will explain lot sizes so you know how to calculate them. If you want to open an account with this broker, just click the link below. In the next video, I will dive into lot sizes and how they can impact your trading strategies. If you want to find out how to pass the prop trading challenges, you can sign up for a free webinar. Just click the link below.